to paint the edge of this white, and if you don't have tape or if you don't want to use a lot of tape and it needs to be done really quick, just lay it down on a towel that you don't need anymore and put a little pressure.
So that nothing gets up under the sides.
Yes, so you're pushing down so that it doesn't go over it. Because it's rounded, it'll definitely go over it if you just try to spray it by hand. So what this is doing is we're just going to paint the sides. Just push down on it. This is just a flat white.
He's using a dumbbell. Using a dumbbell to create extra weight and help so that nothing seeps under that. You can also use tape, and we'll have to do another video on that. It's hard to just talk about. But basically what this does is it makes the edges one solid color. See how that has a little pink on the side? So this will make it all one color. Some people don't like the drips, and that's perfectly fine.
And if you wanted, you could paint this pinks and golds and, you know, put some white in there just to have a fun back or a fun side that's different. You never know, it might look good.
Using a towel also helps to not scratch your painting instead of like putting it on the floor. We always use flat spray paints. Of course, you can use a gloss if you wanted to. I wouldn't recommend resining over a gloss, but using it in this respect is perfectly fine. We won't resin over this. This will be the finishing touch for this piece. Make sure you lift it straight up so that it doesn't scoot over the edge where that spray paint was, and get spray paint on the front of your piece. So now that's a finished edge. We need to sand the bottom of it. Other than that, it is good to go.
These off real quick. It'll be fine. Good to go.
Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Bye.
Bye.
B, you just said it too soon. Bye.
I said bye.
So weird.